So in question number 11, we have only two, A and B. First is for 4 marks and second is 6. So this is progressions question. Fourth term of an AP is 22 and 15th term is 66. Find the first and common difference, and based on that find the sum of the series to 8 terms. Okay, let's solve this. So 11th A. So let A be the first term and D is the common difference. Okay, and given. So count the given data. Fourth term is 22. So A4 is 22 and 15th term is 66. A15 is 66. Then let be A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then this is A plus 3D is 22 to be equation 1, and this is A plus 14D because AN is equals to, you know the formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? So using this, that is 66, equation 2. By solving this both, you get the A and D values. So second equation, A plus 14D is equal to 66, and first equation, A plus 3D is equals to 22. You subtract this both, minus minus minus, you change the sign, 14 minus 3, so 11D, 22 minus 66 is 44. So D is equals to 4. So common difference is 4. Then we can find out the A value. So we know A plus 3D is equals to 22 from equation 1. So this is from equation 1. And A is, we need to find out A. 3 into D is 4 is 22. So A plus 12 is equals to 22. Then A is equals to 22 minus 12 is 10. So A value is the 10 and common difference is 4. Then first term is 10 and common difference is 4. We can find out sum of 8 terms. Here sum to series 8 terms. Means S8 we need to find out using this both. So you know the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So here S8 is equals to 8 by 2 into 2a. A is 10 plus n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 into d is 4. This step if you simplify, that is S8. So it's a 4, 20 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 4s are. So 28. So 4 into 48. 192. So 192 is the sum of 8 terms. Sum of the series to 8 terms is 192. Right? Now we'll see this next question. So use the graph paper for this question. We need to apply graph paper. A survey regarding height in centimeters 60 boys belonging to class 10 of school was conducted. The following data was recorded. Height in centimeters and number of boys. So 135 to 140 heights. There are 4 students. 140 to 145 8. So this is the given data. So if they mention the graph, you need to apply the same. 2 centimeters is equals to height of 10 centimeters along one axis, and 2 centimeters is 10 boys along the other axis. So draw the overview of the above distribution, use the graph. Let us see this now. First you need to find out the median. So let us find out the median using the formula. If you prepare the graph, then you can find out the median, lower quartile, everything is easy. Then we'll make the table 11b. So is only 2 columns are given, and you can find out less than cumulative frequency and points. So height, and number of boys, this frequency, so Fi, and next is Cf, so cumulative frequency is less than. and we'll take the points, okay, to apply in the graph. So height will take one column, number of boys, frequency 1, and CF cumulative frequency less than, and we'll take the points also. So we'll see this now how it takes. So height will start from 135. So I come to question 135 to 140. So 135 to 140 is the 4 students, and 140 to 145, and again 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, and 165 to 170 is the answer. So 4, 8, 20, 14, 7, 6, 1. Okay, this data is given in the question. Then we need to find out cumulative frequency. So that is simple. We'll take the first number as it is 4, and 4 plus 8 is 12, and 12 plus next number is 20. So 32. You can add 32 plus 14, 46, plus 7, 53, plus 6, 59, and 60. So because of less than cumulative frequency, we take highest upper limit, so 140. So points is 140 comma 4. So less than cumulative frequency, right? So upper limit, so 145 comma 12. These points you need to plot on the graph paper. And 150 comma 32, 155 comma 46, and 160 comma 53, and 165 comma 59. So 170 comma 60. Okay, these points we plot on the graph. So your sigma f of I, that is equals to n, that is 60. So this last value will same will come. Okay, this is the frequency distribution table. Now using this table we can make the graph. So let us see how to use. So based on the graph paper you can find out the median and everything. Right. So from this, take x-axis and y-axis. Take x-axis. This is horizontal. Okay, this is the y-axis and this x. And the question they are mentioning clearly, take 2 centimeters height of 10 centimeters. 2 centimeters height, 10 centimeters long. So 10 10 we can take height, and 2 centimeters 10 boys means 1 centimeter is 5. So here also 1 centimeter is 5. So you can use this. So started from 135. So this first column on x-axis, second is on y. So first starting is 135, not from 0. So you can use the kink symbol. We'll start 135, 140, 145, 150, and 155, 160, 165, 170. Okay, this is the data. And from this also same. So it's a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. Fine. So just we'll plot these points now. So 140 comma 4. For 140 you can take the fourth line from starting. And 145 comma 12. So 145 x-axis, 12 is on y-axis. So 145 12 can round away. Again 150 32. 155 46. And 160 53. 165 59. 170 60, right? Okay, these are the data. We just plot in this and you can join. So starting is 135, you can put at 0. Okay, whenever you are taken, start on 140, then 135 should be 0. This is starting you should take. Then if you extend join with these lines, okay, frequency curve, freehand you can join. Then after joining, now median. So median is 60th term. So total is n by 2. Now the first one is, okay, observe the question. Median lower quartile. So median formula is n by 2. Lower quartile is n by 4. You know that. So we can use this both. Now median we need to find out first. That is equals to n by 2. So 60th term divided by 2. So 30th observation. So 30th observation, you can take the line straight. So if you observe here, take the scale. From 30th observation, you can take straight line. So where it touches, from there you can take down. From 30th observation, you can take down straight. So approximately it is 149.5. So where it joins, that you can take. So it's touching. So from the origin, so 30th observation is equal to some 149 centimeters. Then median is equal to, so therefore median is equals to 149 centimeters. Now lower quartile. So lower quartile, that is Q1. So that is n by 4, because n is the even number. So 60th term by 4. That is 15th observation. Because n is the even number, this formula will apply. So 15th observation, you can take straight line. So from 15th, you can take this straight line where it joins. From there, you can take one line. So it's approximately 140, 145, 146. So 2 centimeters, 147. So 2 centimeters is 1 point, 2 millimeters is 1 point, so 147 it is. Therefore from the ogive, same, that is equals to 147 centimeters. So this is also same. From ogive, the lower quartile. So lower quartile is same. Okay, there is as it is. Now we will see from the ogive. So what is the question here? If above 158 centimeters is considered all the tall boys of the class, find number of boys in the class who are tall. That means from the ogive, height of 50 students is less than 158 centimeters. So height of 50 students you can take straight now. Let's see here. From 50 centimeters. 50 if you take straight line. So from this you join 155, 156, 157, 158 approximately. Yeah, exactly. 158. So if the above 158 centimeters is considered. So same, from 158 you should take up. Okay, from the 158 if you take up this level, now where it touching is this side. So you start taking other side. Now these all from towards downwards. And it's only from above. So it touching at 50. So total students is 60. So 60 minus 50. So 10 members is tall. So touching at 50 here. When you take 158. So we can confirm like this. So from ogive, height of 50 students is less than 158 centimeters. The number of boys in the class who are tall is, then number of boys in the class who are tall is equal to totally 60, right? So 60 minus 50, so 10. So 10 members, 10 boys is the overall tall. So based on the graph, we can make it easy. So if you draw the graph, then only we can solve this. So this is question number 11. Fine. So this is the paper 2018, and next I will show you some specimen paper and different model papers also you can see. So this is a channel, you can find out the remaining papers. So after this, total all the papers you can cover in this website, you can go through it and share with your friends and subscribe the channel, because especially for education channel only for students.